Hi, I'm Glenn Nausley here at the Promess booth at the assembly show. And what I want to show off is our gantry workstation. So this is a standard, or like our standard workstation, where you have a 12 kilonewton press up top on a fully robust load-bearing gantry system that's driven by servos controlled by our Ultra Pro. So this is fully programmable. We can hit any position in this XY area and apply as much force as we need to get the job done. Now, one thing this really opens up, unlike our normal workstation, is this allows for different kinds of parts and maybe doing different processes or different things on a bigger part, let's say, where you need to press in a dowel in one corner and a gasket in another. So it really opens up where the press can go. If you would like more information, you can contact us at 810-229-9334 or go to our website at promessinc.com. Thanks for listening and thanks for attending the show.